Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. A few of you guys have been requesting an update on the bed since I made the first video where I installed the Bedliner. This is how it's holding up. I don't put a lot of abrasive things back here. I think I've had a little small pallet back here, and everything else has just been topsoil and packs of water and, you know, maybe some wood, stuff like that. But it's holding up. Got a rag there for the bird droppings, because they're always dropping their dew in here. And see these spots right there, those are spots where I saw that it looked like it was kind of thinner, so I just sprayed some plastic dip really heavily in those spots there and right there. And that's actually glossier than the actual Bedliner. But yeah, man, it's holding up well. I suggest if you do it, really go on thick with it, even if you have to buy maybe a double, to go extra thick. Especially if you're gonna put abrasive things back here, things that are gonna scratch, maybe possibly scratch through it. But yeah, it's holding up well. And that's just the plastic, factory plastic right there, of course. But yeah, it's holding up well, guys. Hope this update helps in your decision, and we'll see you in the next video.